Hello everyone. In the previous video, we successfully installed and configured a WireGuard VPN server on a Linux VPS. In this video, we will continue with the client-side setup on Windows. Once completed, our Windows computer will be able to connect to the WireGuard server and access the internet through the VPN tunnel. In the previous video, we created the client configuration profile, including the .conference file and a QR code. For Windows, we will use the .conference file that we downloaded from the server. Let's get started. First, go to the official WireGuard website to download the WireGuard client installer for Windows. After downloading it, install the WireGuard client just like any other standard Windows application. After the installation is complete, the WireGuard application may open automatically. For now, close it temporarily. For easier access next time, you can open the Windows application list, find WireGuard, and create a shortcut on the desktop for quicker access. Now, open the WireGuard application as administrator to make sure it has the required permissions to create and manage the VPN connection on Windows. On the main WireGuard interface, click Import Tunnel from File. Then, select and import the client configuration file that we downloaded from the server. If the import is successful, you will see the new tunnel appear in the list, along with configuration details such as the client IP address, DNS servers, server public key, endpoint, and the traffic range that will go through the VPN. Then, simply click Activate to enable the tunnel and start connecting to the WireGuard VPN server. If the connection is successful, the status will show active, and in the transfer section, you will start seeing data being sent and received between the client and the WireGuard server. To test the connection, open the CMD window on Windows. Then, try pinging the VPN IP address of the WireGuard server. This is a basic test to confirm that the Windows machine can connect to the VPN server. If the result looks like this, it means the Windows machine has successfully connected to the VPN IP address of the WireGuard server. Or you can visit a public IP checking website. If the displayed IP address is the public IP of your VPS, it means the internet traffic from the Windows machine is going through the WireGuard VPN server. And now, you can browse the web through the VPN connection using your WireGuard server on the VPS. That's it. We have completed the installation of WireGuard client on Windows, imported the configuration profile, and successfully connected to the WireGuard VPN server. I hope you can follow along successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.